The kitchen is a fun environment. It's fast-paced. You know, you're working with a huge team back there. Ideally, you'd like everyone to really love what they do every day and come in and be happy and work in that team environment. You want them to be passionate about it.
The atmosphere at the restaurant is very welcoming, and automatically you're just put in this situation where you feel like you're meant to be there. I found my passion.
So back in February of 2020, we went to a presentation to learn about the Apprenticeship Carolina program and how it partners with the Technical College of the Lowcountry. And we loved what it stood for, and we thought we could really make that program something special here.
What the Apprenticeship of Carolina program is all about is getting these apprentices in here and then watching them grow and watching them build confidence.
Our goal was employee retention. We thought if we can tap into that local market and start with our youth, we can train them from scratch and they can grow and develop into long-term employees.
When I got the apprenticeship, my mom was ecstatic because she always likes to see me do new things and get out of my comfort zone. And she saw that it might be something I love, so she was happy for me.
Teddy is exactly what you would want in an apprentice. He shows up to work on time, he's passionate, he never turns down learning something new, and the staff loves having him around.
Teddy's been fantastic. When he first hopped on board, he was involved with kind of general prep stuff, and he's really flourished so far.
I've learned in my year and a half here, basically every single station, with some more in-depth than others.
In the beginning of the program, he'd work with another cook side by side to ensure he's developing the correct habits. From there, it's elevating the stations, elevating the skills based on his confidence and his comfortability. Teddy's really done an awesome job at developing relationships with other cooks.
One of the previous sauté guys, line cooks here, would always take me under his wing and have me help him with specials that we were preparing. He always had such interesting ideas. I've always liked to be able to show creativity in it.
Our relationship has grown with the Technical College of the Lowcountry, specifically the Culinary Institute. Since we've adopted this Apprenticeship Carolina program, our apprentices can actually go there and get some in-class learning, and then they can come here and practice with some hands-on learning in our restaurants. We also pay them a competitive wage.
Having the ability to get the college credit and the youth apprenticeship while still being in high school has been a great opportunity. It's given me more chances to see what it's like to be in a real commercial kitchen and see if it's a path I want to take.
The classes that Teddy has taken at Culinary Institute of the South, you can tell they have been very beneficial in his training. These apprentices build these habits, build these cooking skills so that they can go out into the workforce and be a valuable employee. It's going to benefit everyone in the long run.
I'm most looking forward to seeing a potential apprentice in each of our departments. We started off with the culinary one, but the sky's the limit. These are our future workers.
It's really nice to get the younger generation interested in the culinary field. There's 200 plus restaurants just on this tiny island. So it's a great business to be in, or if they want to go to culinary school and continue their education, they already have a head start essentially.
In 5-10 years after school, I hope to see myself working in a high-level restaurant, or maybe even having started to go onto the journey to start my own restaurant.
It's been wonderful working with Apprenticeship Carolina. They've been able to provide the support that we need to recruit the youth apprentice and get them started.
Working with Teddy has been great. Seeing him come in, very green, very shy, very quiet. He's kind of found his voice back there.
I'm very thankful for the Apprenticeship Carolina program and also all the people who have helped me. This apprenticeship has prepared me for knowing what I want to do and helped blossom my love for the kitchen.